We have given inequality x minus 7 is less than 0. First, we will rewrite inequality. So x is less than 7. The boundary line will be x is equal 7, because we have here x is less than 7. It means that boundary line x equals 7 is not part of the solution. So we have to draw the dashes line. So let's draw xy plane. We have to choose the unit. We have line x equals 7. So let's find x equals 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this line is parallel to y axis. This is x equals 7. I just draw dashes because we have inequality x is less than 7. So the boundary line x equals 7 is not part of the solution. So now we have to decide where to shade. We can use the point such 0, 0, or if you look to our inequality, we have x is less than 7. Where is x less than 7? It's on the left side of our dashes line, because here is 6, 5, 4, negative 1. These numbers are less than 7, smaller than 7. So it means that we have to shade this part. This is my solution.